All right, made it this far. You've already got your camera, you picked out your lens, and you got a tripod. Next is one of the most important parts of the whole experience, and that's lighting. Lighting is so important. And for now, we're going to be basic. What I recommend is a soft box. So let me tell you how lighting works. In video, you have a light source, and in order to get the type of light like you see now, that's kind of diffused, is even across my face, you need a soft box. You need something that light source is gonna come out and hit that fabric and spread out even more and smooth out. That's something ring lights can't give you. That's why I don't like them. I hate ring lights, so I don't recommend using them. Softbox is the way to go. So what did I pick? So I picked a softbox kit that's relatively inexpensive, and it comes with all the pieces. The light is adjustable. That's important. Light is measured in kelvins. So most videography lights go from 3000 Kelvin, which is more of a brownish orangish light, to 5600 or 6000 Kelvin, which is daylight. The one that I picked out goes from 2700 Kelvin to 6400 Kelvin. So why do you need that? Well, you need it so you can adjust depending on your background. Because sometimes you might get in front of the camera and, you know, for people like me, African Americans, if you don't light it correctly, we could look like zombies, like we're pale and pallor and have no life. So for us, you know, about 4500 Kelvin is pretty good. And that's less you have to do in post-processing. Here's the other part, let me find it. You want a light kit with one of these. Look at that. Yep. With a remote. You want one with a remote control. Why do you say that? Because you can sit in front of the camera and you can adjust the intensity of the light to match your scene and see what looks better instead of having to get up, go and turn it up and down. Or the kits that don't have adjustable lights, and then you have to use other tricks to make them look good. So this particular kit has a soft box included. It's two lights with remote controls and soft boxes included. And then all you have to do is change the positioning of the lights to match what you want it to do. And maybe in another section, I'll talk about lighting techniques, because you just can't put the light right there in front of you. It's gonna look bad. There's certain ways to do it. So grab a light kit for the studio lights. Now, the link that I provided in the guide is for 2 octagon soft boxes. I picked those because it's a little bit bigger, and the bigger the soft box, the softer the light. Now there's one on there too that has a 3-point lighting setup. Right now, I don't recommend that. You don't really need that, because you're, number one, you're just starting out with this, doing it on your own. And then that's not your focus, because the only thing to me, that third light, what it's meant to do is to create separation from your background. And in another section, another video, I'll show you how to do that. So go ahead, get the lighting kit. Has sandbags included so it won't fall over. You just put rocks or sand in it or whatever, and there you go, lighting done.